Hi there, and welcome to day one of your business journey with the SME friend. Every great business starts with a simple but powerful thing, an idea. But not just any idea. You don't need something fancy or complicated. The best ideas are the ones that match you, your skills, your interests, and what people around you actually need or see as following trends. Today, I'll help you discover a business idea that fits your life, your community, and your goals. Let's get into it. It starts with 6 simple questions. Grab a notebook, or just think along with me. Step 1. What are your skills and what can you do well? Think of things like cooking, hairdressing, sewing, fixing things, organizing events, teaching, farming, or even selling. You don't need a degree or certificate to count it as a skill. If you've done it and people trust you to do it again, it's a skill. Write down at least 3 skills you already have. Step 2. What are your interests and what do you actually enjoy doing? Some people love working with kids, others love being online, some love talking to customers, and others prefer to work quietly behind the scenes. When you run a business, you'll spend a lot of time doing that activity, so it should be something you enjoy or are willing to learn more about. Write down 2 or 3 things you enjoy doing. Step 3. What problems do you see around you? This is a big one. Look at your area, your town, your neighborhood. What's missing? What do people often complain about? What's frustrating them? It could be long queues, poor service, high prices, lack of certain products, or even things like no one delivering to homes or offices. Every problem is a business opportunity if you can solve it. Try to write down 2 to 3 local problems or gaps in your area. Step 4. Spot the friction. What problems do people around you face? This is where many great business ideas start, by solving real problems. Think about your week or month. What has annoyed, frustrated, or slowed you down? What do people you know often complain about? It could be long queues, poor service, high prices, or a lack of certain products or services. Every frustration is a potential business opportunity if you can solve it. Try to write down 2 to 3 problems you've experienced recently. Step 5. Can I fix what's broken? We all use products and services every day. Some delight us. Others leave us thinking, this could be so much better. What products or services do you use that are unreliable, outdated, or simply frustrating? What changes would make them easier, faster, cheaper, or more enjoyable? From small improvements to big changes, these are opportunities waiting to happen. Write down 2 to 3 improvements you would make to products or services you regularly use. Step 6. Can you spot trends? Trends tell us where the world is heading, and where opportunities are emerging. They reflect changing customer needs, new technologies, and shifting lifestyles. Look at industries or topics that interest you. What new products, services, or behaviors are becoming more common? It could be eco-friendly packaging, remote working tools, plant-based food, or AI-powered solutions. By spotting a trend early, you can position yourself ahead of the curve. Write down 2 to 3 trends you've noticed or researched recently. Here's the magic formula. Skills plus passion plus market need plus problem solving plus fixing what's broken plus trend awareness equals business opportunity. If you can, do it well. Skills. Love doing it. Passion. Know there's demand. Market need. Solve real frustrations. Problem solving. Improve existing products, services. Fixing what's broken. Spot where the world is heading. Trend awareness. Then you're in the sweet spot. You don't have to invent something completely new. Often, the best opportunities come from offering a better, faster, or more convenient solution to an existing problem, especially if it aligns with what excites you and what the market is ready for. Mercy the baker. Meet Mercy. She enjoys baking, passion, and she's naturally friendly, great at building relationships, skills. She lives near a busy commercial area where many people work long hours, market need. One day, she noticed a common frustration, problem solving. There were very few places offering affordable, homemade snacks during the day. She also realized existing cafes were slow and had limited variety, fixing what's broken. And she saw a growing trend awareness, of office workers ordering food through messaging apps. So, what did she do? She started baking mini meat pies and sweet buns at home in the mornings. She created a simple WhatsApp list of nearby offices, sent them daily menus, and delivered snack boxes by noon. Just like that, Mercy created a small bakery business that meets a real need, uses her skills, matches her passion, solves local frustrations, improves on what's out there, and taps into an emerging trend. That's business idea generation done right. What should I do next? Now it's your turn. Take 10 minutes to write down. What do you do well? Skills. What do you love doing? Passion. How do you know if there's demand? Market need. Can you solve real frustrations? Problem solving. When can you improve existing products, services? Fixing what's broken. How you spotted where the world is heading. Trend awareness, and then see where they connect. Remember, your business doesn't have to start big. It just has to start smart. Let's build something real, together. See you tomorrow for day 2, validating your business idea.